you all must be thinking like, she's a girl. She has worn it. That's why she's saying like, yeah, this is a good perfume. People came and asked. Hello world. Welcome and welcome back. This is Rains and you are watching Perfume Girl Renu. So you all must have seen the thumbnail and figured out that today's review is for men's Beardo pack of 4. This box has 4 perfumes and one is the showstopper. Why showstopper? Because 7 girls liked this fragrance. I will tell you everything about each of those. But before starting, let me thank all those who've subscribed and all those who are watching me for the first time. I make perfume reviews for men and women. And now let's not waste time and get started. So, this is the star I was talking about. Beardo Best Day Perfumes. Now this box has 4 variants, 20 ml each, EDP and perfume for men. This box contains Darkside, Tsunami, Mariner and Dawn. Let me show you the packaging inside. This is how it looks like. The packaging is nice, travel friendly, all the details are written behind. Now let's start with the first variant. So the first variant what I am going to show you is Beardo Tsunami. This is how the bottle looks like. I'm going to read out the notes. Top notes, lemon, rosemary, bergamot. Middle notes, jasmine, oak moss, cyclamen, coriander. Bottom notes, musk, cedar, sandalwood. Now talking about the fragrance of Tsunami, the fragrance is fresh, aquatic. It is fresh, aquatic, a very balanced fragrance I must say. The moment you spray, you get a very excellent fragrance of bergamot, lemon and coriander. It is giving a fresh, uplifting vibe when you spray this, okay? And then give it some 5-10 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes on your skin to settle down nicely. The fragrance turns out into a soft, pleasant fragrance of jasmine, cyclamen and oak moss. Like the fresh beach vibe. You're on a beach, nice fresh breeze coming in and a freshy, breezy beach vibe like that. And when it finally dries down, it dries down into a powdery and a musky fragrance. So what I feel is Tsunami is fresh, it is aquatic, it is musky, it is powdery. Balanced, proper fragrance. Now I'll tell you all the longevity. 3 to 4 hours on your skin and 5 to 6 hours on your clothes. Now this is a daytime perfume. So you all wear this perfume like 5 to 6 puffs and then after that you will feel like yes, it remains on your skin for a good period of time. If you reapply it, it will stretch to around 7 to 8 hours as well. Okay, and it also depends upon the climate where you are in. During the summers, a very nice option. Now talking about the projection. The moment you apply it, you yourself will feel like for half an hour, the fragrance is a very fresh, a very nice fragrance. You yourself will feel good, you will feel uplifted. So the fragrance is nice. It is suitable for anyone. Everyone can wear this, but make sure you're wearing this fragrance during the daytime. So now let's move on to the second variant. So the second variant is Darkside. Let's read out the notes. Top notes, lemon, grapefruit, mint, pink pepper. Middle notes, ginger, labdaman, jasmine. Base notes, sandalwood, nutmeg, cedar, white musk. The fragrance of Darkside is spicy, it is woody, it is warm and a masculine fragrance. So I won't elaborate much about the fragrance because it is spicy. It is masculine and as masculine, this is suitable for men about 25 years of age. The fragrance, the moment you spray, you get a note of ginger and pepper. The fragrance is nice. It is spicy and woody. Now y'all can wear this during any time, when whatever the time is, whatever the climate is. But I would say this is best during the colder days, during rainy season and winter season. Avoid wearing it during the summer season because this might irritate you. So overall the fragrance is spicy, it is woody and a masculine fragrance. Talking about the projection, it is nice. The longevity is 3 to 4 hours on your skin and 4 to 5 hours on your clothes. Now, also it is said like this is like Bleu de Chanel, but honestly I don't feel like that. This perfume is not at all similar to Bleu de Chanel. Okay, so now let's move on to the third variant. So the third variant is Beardo Mariner. The notes of this fragrance are top notes: lavender, mint, seawater. Middle notes: jasmine, green notes and coriander. Bottom notes: white musk, oak moss and cashmere woods. Now this perfume is a fresh, aquatic and a beach vibe fragrance. They have done a very good job by making a similar perfume to David of Cool Water. Now David of Cool Water is also a fresh fragrance perfume, and this is similar to this, but a lighter version of David of Cool Water. And as per the price, this is justified. Now those who have used David of Cool Water, if they smell this, it will immediately strike them like, yeah, this is like David of Cool Water. The dry down of this fragrance is like detergent, same like this perfume, but overall the fragrance is fresh, it is aquatic, powdery, and then it becomes like a little detergent. Now who can wear this? Anyone can wear this, but not during the night time. Okay, this is not a nighttime perfume, this is a daytime perfume. Don't wear during the dates or any other night out meetings or something. This is a good daytime perfume, a good gym wear perfume. Okay, so a daytime nice perfume, anyone can wear this. Now the climate where you all can wear this is summer. Excellent during the summer. Wear this during the summer season, you all will feel nice and fresh. Now the projection and the longevity. The projection is also nice, around means like half meter for half an hour, and the longevity is 3 to 4 hours. So overall this is a fresh, aquatic and a very beach vibe fresh fragrance perfume. Now let's move on to the fourth variant. Now you remember I said that there is a showstopper in the box. This is the showstopper, Beardo Dawn, and on the box also it is written, be the most wanted man. Let me read out the notes. Top notes: melon, jasmine and water lily. Middle notes: vanilla, cedar and white musk. Bottom notes: seawater, lemon and aloe vera. Now the fragrance of Dawn is like a rich fragrance. Now I don't know how to explain. The star in this fragrance is melon and the white florals. The perfect blend of fragrance which comes out of this perfume is so beautiful. It is completely like each and every note, each and every fragrance which is mentioned, it justifies the fragrance. From start till it dries down. When it dries down, immediately means not immediately, the moment you spray, give it some time. The start is beautiful, the process is beautiful. As it dries down, it becomes such a beautiful musk. Now, like I said, 7 girls and 3 men asked me like, which perfume are you wearing? It is so good. Now, what I'm trying to say is like, just because girls ask me, it is not like it is a women fragrance or it is a girly fragrance. No, this is an attractive fragrance. Now men and women are coming and asking me like, which fragrance are you wearing? So you can imagine like this fragrance is a good fragrance. It's not like a ladies fragrance or something just because ladies came and asked. This is a masculine, it is a men's fragrance and men's attractive fragrance. Now for boys who might get DMs, who ask like which is the fragrance which attracts girls, this is a good option. I mean, like this is an attractive fragrance and y'all can be the most wanted man. The longevity of this fragrance is amazing, like 4 to 5 hours on your skin and 5 to 6 hours on your clothes. Anytime, wherever you all want to, anywhere, wherever you are, at parties, at dates, office, wherever you all are, you all can wear this. I mean, like this can be your go-to perfume. You all can make this your signature perfume. The projection is also good. Like people come and ask, they are coming and asking me. So if you are wearing this, a nice suited up, nice dressed up and wearing this, why won't they come and ask you and get attracted to you, right? So this is a very nice, rich fragrance perfume. Now you all must be thinking like, she's a girl, she has worn it, that's why she's saying like, yeah, this is a good perfume, people came and asked. No, I told them that this is a men's perfume. Okay, so I being a girl, I applied a men's perfume and people are coming and asking me which perfume. This means that this men's perfume is a very nice perfume. Okay, now you must be thinking like, what is she talking? What is she saying? How will girls like men's perfume on a girl? What I'm trying to say is understand. The perfume is nice, it is beautiful. It is like a wanting fragrance, you know. People will come and ask like, see, it is written also. Be the most wanted man. Be the most wanted man. Be the most wanted man. Now, a girl coming and asking which perfume are you wearing, how would you feel good? And you'd say like, I'm wearing Dawn because I'm the Dawn, right? So, the fragrance is nice. It is good and be the most wanted man. And don't think like, yeah, this is a girly perfume just because I am saying it. It is a masculine perfume. Now let's finally conclude that how each of these fragrances are. So the final conclusion about this box is like you're getting 4 different types of perfumes for less than 500 rupees. Now usually if you see, the individual 50 ml bottle comes for around 300 to 400 rupees. And for less than 500, you're getting this box which has 4 different variants. It is a good option, right? Because boys have many expenses, like on your dates, girlfriend expenses, other expenses. I understand everything. So this is a good option. This is a travel friendly option because usually the perfumes which men's perfumes bottles are, it is bulky and it is heavy. So this is extremely travel friendly. This is a good box and has all the different variants. As per your mood, you can wear whichever you want to, whenever you want, right? So this is a good option. I will try to put the link in the description box. You all can check out and find out for yourself like exactly which one you all want to buy. So that's all for Beardo pack of 4. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Those who've already liked, those who've already subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot. I'm actually very happy. It really makes me feel so good. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Share the video with your family and friends like I said. And take care of yourself. Bye.